is 28 Bakugan. I'm a champion of Bakugans. And look at this, guys. 28 Bakugan champion. I mean, Bakugan 2010 champion. Now I'm going to show you my combiner. How to build it. Dragonoid is a powerful person. And I'm going to show you the champion. Yuzira champion. This is the champion. And more. There's more champion. Take it out. Stop! And I'm gonna show you this. The powerful one. My greatest. My favorite. And this. The bull. This is the bull. And this is the crab. There are 2 crabs. And there's a dog. This is a dog. And this is my collector's item. But I'm a girl. And this is Dragonoid. And now I'm going to show you this. How to build it. It's like this. Gonna fix it. This is my own. I'm gonna fix it to my brother first. This is my cards. This is powerful. This is Sparks. And this is the Sunstroke. This is This is Light in the Dark. And this is the ultimate powerful. This is the powerful. And this one is the powerful too. And this is Sunspot. That's all for today. Now I'm gonna show you some. Them. They're powerful. And you're gonna build it. And look at this guy. I got this because I'm a champion. This is fire, this is not water. Gonna show you more. And this is a star. It's not fire. And this. You can buy this for 1 cent. I mean 1 cent. Look at this. Who's this again? Huh? This is Serpule. Show you more, guys. Gonna show you this. Blue crab. Blue crab. Name? This is blue crab. Maybe 800 Gs. It's 800 Gs. There's fire and water. Fire and water. It change attribute. It's really powerful and you can buy it from Ruins. For 100 pesos. But actually it's $100. And this, I can buy it. And this is $500. Cheap. In our school, this is 10 cents. In our school, it's De La Salle Zobel. And there's full of like this. If it's your school, try to buy it. American crap. Sorry. Did I say the bad word? That's all for today. Bye, guys.